what somebody gave me in the mail today. License plate tints. So I'm not really sure what people feel about these. I don't know if people consider them as a mod or an accessory, but I do like them. Add a nice little touch to the car. So first step is, of course, to just unscrew the plate. Then next, add your plate and tints. That's pretty much it. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys think this is a mod or an accessory or anything else, just let me know in the comments. But I really like this. It adds that nice little touch to it. So yeah. Peace.